Today I'm reviewing the Keurig K-Cafe single serve coffee, latte, and cappuccino maker. If you want to try out this Keurig, I've put a link in the description below. The unit measures 12.5 inches tall, 16.7 inches when open, 15.3 inches wide, and 11.7 inches deep. It weighs 10 pounds. The cord length is 30 inches. It looks elegant with a nickel-colored finish. A quick start guide is included. There are 4 cup sizes you can brew, 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounces. A strong brew option, which brews longer to give you a more intense cup. The shot button, use a K-cup pod to get a concentrated shot of coffee for making lattes and cappuccinos, hot or iced. It's not brewing espresso, and there's no pressure when brewing the shot. It's brewing the same way as a regular cup of coffee, but a 2-ounce size. To brew regular coffee, press the coffee button. To brew a shot for a latte or cappuccino, press the latte and cappuccino button. The unit automatically turns off after 2 hours if you have the auto off feature set. If you want to leave the Keurig on all the time, you can turn the auto off feature off. Plug in the unit, power off, hold the strong and 10-ounce button for 3 seconds. Power on, and you'll see the auto off feature light is off. To turn the auto off feature back on, power off, hold the strong and 10-ounce buttons for 3 seconds, power on, and you'll see the auto off light is back on. When it's time to descale the unit, descale will be lit up. The add water light will blink when the reservoir needs more water. The K-Cup Universal Reusable Coffee Filter is compatible with this unit, so you can use your own ground coffee instead of a pod. Just press up on the bottom here to remove the pod holder. It's difficult the first time, but the bottom does come off for cleaning. Just press down to lock the pod holder in. The unit comes with a frother that is top rack dishwasher safe. You can froth fresh milk, soy milk, almond milk, and skim milk. There's a cold setting for cold frothed milk. The frother simply sits inside the holder. Frother has a lid. This is the magnetic whisk. It simply sits inside the middle of the frothing cup. There are 2 lines marked inside the cup, one to fill milk for cappuccinos and one to fill milk for lattes. When you first get the unit, clean the frother, take off the lid, the whisk, and wash in warm soapy water and dry. The drip tray slides out for cleaning. It holds 8 ounces of overflow, and is top rack dishwasher safe. A 6.2-inch mug will fit sitting on the drip tray. With the drip tray removed, a 7.2-inch mug will fit. The water reservoir is removable and holds 60 ounces. It also has a handle. There's a max fill line that's marked. You can open the lid and fill water, or just remove the entire container, fill it, and put it back. We'll clean the coffee maker, plug it in, put a mug 12 ounces or larger on the drip tray, remove the reservoir, rinse it out, and fill it with water to the max line. Press the power button, and the unit will start heating the water. It's ready when the heating sound stops. Lift and lower the handle. Don't put any pods in. Press the 6-ounce button and the blinking brew button in the middle. Discard the water and the unit is ready to brew coffee. When you finish brewing 1 cup, the water will heat and you can brew another cup in less than a minute. To make a latte or cappuccino, first make a shot, open the handle, put your pot in, close the handle. The coffee and latte and cap buttons are blinking. Press the latte and cap button. The shot button will be lit up, and we just need to press the blinking brew button, which is the big K in the middle. and that's about 2 ounces.